Okay, things are going reasonably well. Getting ready to put the arch back on. Haven't got the wires through. Just at the end of my last video. I decided to have a go at putting some reinforcing strips around the inside of the actual arch pieces. Obviously I know many people have had issues with their cycle wings and cycle arch supports, whereby these just break off, and obviously just having a butt weld on there, because I didn't put an internal sleeve in there, because obviously I didn't cut it completely off. I thought a bit more support wouldn't go amiss, so I've just put a piece in there. The tyre is well inside here, so it doesn't touch it at all, and I've done the same on there. Give it a coat of a one coat black, as you can see, a little bit on here and also on the arch support on the other side. I tried it out a few times, get all the holes lined up, so that's all ready to go on. I've taken the mastic off that have been stuck on the inside of one of the arches over here, or the arch here, which basically supported the spiral wrap round for the indicator light, so that's all ready to go on. I've just trimmed down a little bit around here as well, because there was obviously a little bit of rubber silicone sort of goes around this bit here where it goes over these arches. That's all ready to go, so I'm just about to have a go at trying to put a little bit of no nails on here as well, front and back, before I put the screws in, a bit of additional support to the small screws that are there. I've had to unsolder the contacts. These the wires are soldered onto the indicator contacts here, so to take them out of there and get them all ready. So that's ready to go as well. Got a bit of solder there, got the iron heating up, so ready to go to try and stick it back on again. And let's see how we go. Well, as ever, whenever dealing with mastic type stuff, it always gets a little bit messy. Certainly does with me anyway. So I managed to get a bit on top of the actual tube before I put it on, and also fore and aft for both the front and rear tubes, just to try and hopefully hold it on a little bit more. Got the soldering done, bent the back round, bent these contacts all in again. The screws that hold the actual lens on are the same ones that hold the back end on. I'll give it a quick test and it does work, so I'm going to get it all screwed on, and yeah, nearly done. So I've got it all completed. Managed to get the caps back on the screws that were the same. I had to put a different screw in this one, and I've mislaid the backing cap. If it turns out, I'll try and put that on there as well. Managed to have a little bit of mastic around the tubes, as I said. Got it all nice and tight. As it's nice and horizontal, whereas you may remember there was quite a bit of an angle, and you can see much more of the tyre previously. Does it work? Well, the easy answer is it does work, but it's not as bright as the other side, so I think I need to change the wattage of this bulb for a higher one to match the other side. But yeah, that was nice and bright. This one definitely not the same. Right, on to the next job then.